Choosing the right CFD broker is a critical first step for any trader looking to access the global financial markets. Whether you're a beginner seeking user-friendly tools or an experienced trader demanding tight spreads and advanced platforms, knowing what to look for is essential. Here are some things to look for when picking a CFD broker. Number 1. Regulation and safety. This matters as regulation ensures that the broker follows financial laws and protects clients' uninvested funds. You should look for brokers under regulatory bodies like the FCA for the UK, segregated client accounts, and negative balance protection. XTB is regulated by the FCA along with other world-leading supervisory authorities, offering a high level of regulation for retail clients. Number 2, trading fees and spreads. Trading costs affect your bottom line, especially for frequent traders. Brokers with low spreads and commissions and a transparent fee structure are ideal. At XTB, transparency is our priority. You can view all account types and the associated fees clearly outlined on our website. Number 3, range of instruments. A good broker should give you access to markets you're interested in. Traders should look for brokers with CFDs on stocks, forex, indices, commodities, and ETFs, with a depth of market and regional variety. XTB offers access to over 2,500 CFD instruments, giving you a diverse range of markets to trade, including forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and ETFs. Number 4, the trading platform. Your broker should have a platform that is stable, fast, and easy to use. Platforms with mobile and desktop access and advanced charting and risk management tools are ideal. At XTB, we have developed our own trading platform, xStation, to better meet clients' needs. Number 5, leverage and margin requirements. Leverage amplifies both potential gains and losses. A good broker should have regulated leverage limits, the ability to adjust leverage manually, and margin call policies and stop-out levels. In UK and Europe, under current regulations, leverage is restricted to a maximum of 30-1 for retail classified clients. Number 6, customer support. Traders need reliable support when technical or account issues arise. To best support your needs, a broker may have 24/5 or 24/7 customer service, live chat, email, phone support, and multilingual service if needed. At XTB, we offer 24/5 multilingual support and dedicated account fund managers for active traders. Number 7, educational resources. Quality education helps traders improve and avoid costly mistakes. Webinars, tutorials, trading guides, and demo accounts, along with economic calendars and market analysis tools, are provided by many brokers to aid traders. At XTB, we understand that confidence is key to making informed financial decisions. That's why we offer over 60 hours of educational resources, including articles, YouTube videos, ebooks, and detailed market analysis to help you develop a deeper understanding of investing. Choosing the best CFD broker requires research, self-awareness of your trading needs, and a focus on regulation and transparency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, finding the right broker can make a huge difference in your performance and your safety. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.